How to manage multiple Google accounts on one device. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage multiple Google accounts on one device. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to manage multiple Google accounts on one device, it is fairly simple to do so. On an Android phone, we can simply open up Settings. Once we open up Settings, we can look for an option that says Users and Accounts. Over here, you can select Google account, and here you can see I've added 2, or you can add more Google accounts over here. Now, if you want to add more Google account, you can look for the option called Add Account over here, or you can do it manually from one of the devices or the Google app. So if I come back here, you can see the option called Add Account. I can tap on it. I can tap on Google and I can add as much Google account as I like. Now within a certain Google app, if I want to switch between multiple Google accounts, so because I added many Google account, there will be many different Gmail account. So if I want to switch between them, you can see the profile icon. You can simply swipe like this to switch between multiple Google accounts, or you can just tap on this option, then tap on this option, switch account, and you'll find other Google accounts to choose from. And these are the ways on how you can manage multiple Google accounts on one device. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.